This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for July 25th, 2023. It's currently June 2nd, 2023, 2:37 p.m. Eastern Time, and the shuffle file for the July 25th reading was created on May 8th, 2023 at 1:09 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior, it looks like the main highlight is a move out of oversold territory, a prominent move higher that'll stand out, at least one of them that'll stand out on a one-day chart out of oversold territory. Behavior around the highest high, there's an important technical price level acting as resistance. It's important on a multi-day scale. It looks like a lot of price change surrounding that high. One could probably position themselves in both directions with the amount of price change surrounding that price level. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a period of sideways rotation that ends with a fast sudden move higher. And then I'm advised to trade around a prominent crest that we sell off through multiple support levels. Prominent crest that we have a notable decline off of. It looks like it's pretty mixed. We see that several times throughout the day, which would make sense because overall what we've got is a sideways rotation throughout the day here. It does look like it probably ends to the upside. And in the pre-market, we open lower. There's a resistance level and a high that's highlighted in the pre-market. And then from that resistance level, we decline pretty notably into a day's low right around the open. Out of that day's low, we established support with some sideways rotation. And then there's a big move higher standing out on a one-day chart, taking us to a key resistance level there in the first half hour, right around 10 probably. There's three pokes through that same price level within the first hour and a half, followed by a sharp drop that takes us to a trade opportunity around let's say around 1045, 1050 at a trough. An opportunity to open up a long position, and then that long position will be held through a rally that increases with momentum moving forward through the hour of 11 to 12 into a peak or high for the day that we see in the 12 to 1 o'clock hour. That high is halted by a sharp decline through key support, taking us back to another trough. Looks like another trough around 1 o'clock, and then we have a rally out of that trough along a diagonal trend line that ends with a fast sudden move higher, taking us to another peak and near overbought territory between 2 and 3, and then we sell off through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down through multiple support levels there to another trade opportunity around somewhere between 2 and 3, and then between 2 and 3 we have pretty sharp drop. There's sideways fluctuations and a pretty sharp drop into the close with a prominent trough and trade opportunity at the close. Looks like we open lower the following day. Volume for the most part is definitively bullish throughout the day today. And that's the S&P 500 for July 25th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. The rule of karma is to take 5% of the profits that you make from the information on this channel and donate it forward to one of these charities, guaranteeing abundance mentality in your mind. 5% of the profits should also be donated back to the channel, guaranteeing gratitude mentality in your mind. And those two mentalities are necessary components of proper manifestation. So make sure you follow those rules and spend that money out of love, keeping your mind clear, your conscience clear. As long as you do that, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel. Blessings to all my angel investors out there. I'll see you guys on the next one.